Today we're going to be looking at this Cherry keyboard. It's very well built, very sturdy. It's got 3 ways of connecting up. You can connect up via a wireless receiver, Bluetooth, or even a cable. You've got all this RGB, and obviously it's got Cherry MX switches as well. The Cherry MX 3.0S wireless keyboard, with its durable aluminium housing, screwless design and aesthetic appeal, it definitely is a looker. It offers features like smart charging technology, allowing you to charge the keyboard while in use, and the capability to connect up to 3 different devices at once in Bluetooth mode. But perhaps its biggest unique selling point is for gamers, with its low latency mode, ensuring ultimate responsiveness, which is crucial for competitive play. The keyboard arrives in a stylish black box, embellished with a glossy image of the keyboard and a red strip bearing the model number. The box itself provides multilingual specifications, although the grey on black printing on the front might be a bit of a struggle for some to read. But hey, we're more interested in what's inside the box, right? Opening the box reveals the keyboard, neatly encased in some foam and a one-use plastic bag, along with a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable secured with a plastic cable wrap, and a sizable manual. It also includes a Wi-Fi receiver and 2 small metal feet that are somewhat fiddly to attach and a little bit strange because you have to pull out the anti-slip feet, which are going to get lost, to attach them. It's as if the design team in Germany had too many Jägermeisters when they were actually designing this. It just doesn't add up really, to be honest with you. Also, there is unfortunately no dedicated place to store the Wi-Fi receiver or the feet, or a keycap remover included, which might be a slight miss for some. The keyboard has a solid build, very strong, no flex, no creaks or cracks. It also has 6 anti-slip feet, 2 at the front, 4 at the back, 2 of which can be replaced with the provided metal tilt stands, which are limited in size, to be honest with you, but ideal for those who prefer an angled typing experience. The keyboard is also framed by metal. It basically stretches all the way from the front to the back of the keyboard and looks pretty good. Also on the sides it's a mixture of plastic and metal. The keyboard's RGB lighting is a treat to the eyes, or should I say, should be if you can see it. You can tweak the effects directly from the keyboard or use a Cherry utility software for more precise per key customization. However, the lock key lights might be a bit too subtle and the RGB brightness seems to be limited to conserve battery even when wired. A brightness control where it could go a little bit brighter would have been a nice addition, even if it meant losing out on some of the battery life. The keyboard does impress though with its solid no creak build quality. It stands out as a durable piece of equipment that can handle intense gaming sessions. However, it isn't without its quirks. The lock keys can be challenging to see, the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi receiver lacks somewhere to store it, and the attachment of metal feet is a little bit puzzling. Okay, so we're doing a sound test now. This is the microphone roughly 20 centimeters away from the top row of keys. We're testing this keyboard first to give you a comparison. So this is a generic office keyboard you would probably have used in the past, or maybe at school and so forth. And this gives you a rough idea what it sounds like in comparison. There we go. So now we're going to test the Cherry keyboard. So here we go. So the Cherry keyboard, so QWERTY keys first. The enter key. The space bar. The right shift. Left shift. And a full sentence. All in all, the Cherry MX 3.0S wireless gaming keyboard is an intriguing piece of tech. It's sturdy, functional, and looks pretty good as well. While it could improve on some minor aspects, its overall performance and build quality makes it a serious contender in the gaming keyboard market, especially if you don't want to take it out and about, because you're more than likely going to lose some of the bits and bobs what come with it. It's still a worthy contender for any gamer looking to upgrade the setup, especially if you're planning to keep it on your desk. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.